Today, we're going to take a look at Mifen's Ionic Hairdryer. This was supplied to me for review purposes and my thoughts, but the thoughts and opinions in this video are my own. Boasting a powerful 110,000 RPM motor, Mifen's hairdryer provides a strong airflow with an airspeed of up to 20 meters per second. It is safe and rather quiet given the large amount of air that it's moving, and it dries hair, or whatever you're using it on, about 2 to 4 times quicker than a traditional hairdryer. The advanced ionic technology helps to seal in moisture, reducing frizz and static charge in your hair for a smooth, shiny, and more manageable experience with your hair. Variable speed and heat controls ensure that you're able to get the exact look and feel that you're aiming for when drying or styling your hair. It offers a low and high speed setting and 3 temperature settings with blue for cold or room temperature air, orange for medium warm, and red for a nice toasty experience. With a lightweight and ergonomic design weighing in at only 22 ounces, it's nice and comfortable and reduces the fatigue during longer styling sessions, something my shorter-haired self typically won't have to worry about anyway. Now, I've always thought my little white hairdryer was pretty decent. However, the bowl test definitely shows quite a difference in the strength, causing a huge mess in my living room. When it comes to the standard ping pong ball test, we can see a massive difference in these two as well. Besides the obvious fact that the Mifen sits perfectly flat without an issue, we can also see a drastic difference in the height of the ping pong ball. The only downside, if you can call it that, is that the airflow is a bit more turbulent, making it hard to balance the ball over the dryer. But that turbulence does help a good bit when it comes to drying your hair. Using the Mifen hairdryer works incredibly well. When I have shorter hair, I actually just use a hairdryer to get my little swoop that I have at the front of my hair in a quick and easy way. I do look forward to the efficiency the Mifen offers after my next haircut for sure. Coming in at under $100, I'd say the Mifen is definitely a strong contender for a quality blow dryer without breaking the bank. I'd love to see how it stacks up against a Dyson one day, but that's a little out of my price range for the time being. As always, if you like the content I'm putting out, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all new content as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.